Okay, question 39. John had a grey piece of paper measuring 72 cm by 52 cm. Guys, so this 72 cm is indicated down here. It is the length, and 52 cm is the breadth. So guys, when we have the breadth and the length, right, basically I think we can anticipate that the questions will ask us about perimeter or area of a rectangle. Okay, so John cut out a rectangle in the middle of the paper as shown in the diagram below. So what area of the paper was not cut out by John? So John had a big piece of rectangular paper. Then after that, he cut out a small rectangle in the middle. So what is the area of the paper left? Okay, which is the area of this shaded region here. Okay. So guys, I'm not sure whether you can see. Okay, this gap here is actually 7 cm. That means from here to here is 7 cm. Okay. Not sure if you can see it in the diagram because it's shaded. Okay, so I just tell you that this gap here is 7 cm. Okay. So what we can do, right, is that guys, first of all, we need to find out what is the area of this shaded. So the heuristic or the method to do so, right, is that you just imagine you want to cut out something like this. So of course you have to start off with a big rectangle. And then you have to cut out the small rectangle in the middle, right? So how do we cut out the small rectangle? When we cut out means that we minus the area of the small rectangle. Then we will be left with the area of this frame. Okay? So what is the dimension of this big rectangle here? You can see that it is 72 cm by 52 cm. Whereas for the smaller rectangle, right, the length is, I need to find, can you see that this is 72, and this gap here is 7, this gap here is also 7, so the length here, from here to here, of the small rectangle, it has to be 72 minus 7 minus 7, that will give us 58 cm. And the breadth of this smaller rectangle, it is 40 cm as indicated here. So guys, to find the answer, right, of this shaded part, it's just we find the area of the big rectangle minus the area of the small rectangle. Okay, so how to find the area of the big rectangle? Isn't it area of a rectangle equals to length times breadth? So equals to 72 times 52. Okay. So guys, I'm not going to show you the 2-digit multiplication anymore. So if you don't know, please practice on your own. Okay. And the area of the small rectangle, it will be 58. See, the length is 58 times 40. Okay. So we have 2, 3, 2, 0. Okay guys, now this is the area of the big rectangle. This is the area of the small rectangle. So if you want to find the shaded part, it's just take the big rectangle, area of big rectangle minus that of the small rectangle. Then I can get the area that is left behind, okay, which is the shaded part. So the answer will be 3744 minus 2320. And I'll get 1424, and please put in the units. Okay, it's area, so it should be square centimeter.